It's actually this is the superficial reason. I want to look good, goddamn it, you know.
For sure.
I
For
want to look
sure.
good. I've seen you do it like 2 or 3 times. I was like,
Mm,
so it's my turn. And I saw what you did with Dwayne. Oh hell
yeah.
yeah, I'm ready.
I like the fact that you're like, hey, I just want to look good. You know what I mean? Obviously, the when you you about to say something?
I work in corporate. I used to work in sales. It's everything. All the information that we have is what we first see when we first see somebody.
Right.
And that's what women have to go off of. That's what people at work have to go off of. Um, yeah, and the way you feel when you look in the mirror, you know how you're supposed to look. You know, you're not.
Mm-hmm.
We hate to say it's not important, but it really is. You know,
Mm-hmm.
like that video you made about walking around the house without a shirt on.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I want my shirt on because I'm like, I don't want to look at these man boobs. I don't want to face it. Let me go put one of these suits on. You know, I got a bunch of suits, got a lot of nice clothes. You know what I'm saying? And
Mm-hmm.
I'm more comfortable in them clothes than I am walking around me. I was like, damn, fuck this. Let me take this shirt off. Like he
Mm-hmm.
said, and walk around the house.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. I like
it's
that.
important. It's important, man.
What's interesting, what you just touched on, huh?
I say outside and in, it's important.
Exactly, and that's what I was about to touch on. What you just mentioned, which is just the whole way that we view people, like just us as human beings. In order for us to learn how to navigate the world, we have to judge people. Judge isn't necessarily a bad word, but we have to judge people to be able to frame things. Is this person going to hurt me? Is this person, going to be my friend or whatever it may be? So we're
Right.
always looking for information based off of what we see when we first see an individual. And
Does he have Black Air Force Ones on? You know, let me get the hell up out of
what a black Air Force Ones guy, exactly. So when we see a person, one of the things that we see is the type of shape that they're in. You know what I mean? And whether that's the shape that we want to be in or shape that we don't want to be in. And we can easily change that, by changing our mindset, and when we view putting ourselves first and putting the way that we look first. You know what I mean? Obviously, our health and things as well. But when we really get down to one of the things that we really want, all of us want to look good because when you look good, you feel much better about yourself, and it shows the discipline that you have. Like you mentioned with the video from the other day, it just shows the type of individual that you are, like the type of discipline that you have. Like I mentioned at the start of the call, waking up at 4 a.m., doing the things that you do, when you have that physique as well, it is a physical representation of those things that you're talking about right now.
here.
You know, so it shows that discipline. It shows how you look. It shows that these are the things that you actually do. So it's just a billboard of your habits essentially. Whatever you
Yeah.
do every single day, it's going to show up in your physique. You can't lie about that. So, which is one of the main reasons why I think it's really beneficial to, all of us to have ourselves in really good shape. Now, obviously, we can get into the things of the health reasons, which is extremely important. We should all be at a healthy body fat percentage. Be able to go to the doctor and not worry about hearing some bad news based off of what we put in our body consistently, because we can control that. Um, but yeah, so those are just some of the things I could run on fab about that. But I will move on to the next things.